Those pieces, they are from a private collection. I got lucky to meet this person who has one of the most amazing collection of Lee McQueen in clothes and shoes. We've never done shoes at William Vintage before, but when I saw how amazing they were, I just thought I need to put them out there. They're just so great. And out of all the shoes I had, I made the selection on 2 levels. I curate them with in mind that each piece has a story, an importance in the journey of the designer, therefore in fashion history, and also I chose them for the relevance right now. When I got them, those shoes were not in the best condition, and the Restory did an amazing work to revive them. We worked together in a way where they also were extremely aware that some of our shoes were one-way shoes, and they had some what people could think of defaults that actually are things that gives the value to the shoes.
William Vintage chose 10 pairs of McQueen shoes, and we are restoring it back to life. And in this case, it was very important for us to maintain as original as possible because there are some catwalk pieces, so we are always very careful when communicating with the customer what are the possibilities that we can do in that item. So for these items, we decided to go very minimal with the work because we want to keep them as original as possible. On these pieces, we had sanding at the bottom, we've done color restorations, and we've done invisible mending. Some of these pieces, they were cut off for the catwalk, so they would fit the models faster. On some very special pieces like this, we made sure to keep the stickers, which you can see that these are original from the catwalk, so it's very special. It's a big honor, not just for me, but for the team as well, to be working in this project. I have a real passion about McQueen items and his designs and the respect that he has for craftsmanship.
There's something about McQueen that I feel is important today because behind each of McQueen's collection and shows there was a theme. There's bits of him and his heart and his guts in all of his work. There's a mix of baroque and suffering mixed with beauty and poetry. He had a message, a story to tell in each of his pieces and each of their shows, which makes him extremely unique. He died too young, that's what it is, I think. In a world where it's just about trends and we're just polluted with so many things, I guess we're more and more about buying less but buying better and buying pieces and buying into stories, buying into things that mean something. And McQueen is to me one of the designers who, behind each of his pieces, there's something more. And in a time of uncertainty, going and buy pieces that were made to last, I think that's in everyone's consciousness.